Jack's all alert right now.
Bless you.
Do you like your toy? Yeah, and your new crib.
Checking it out.
Jack. Look over here.